Stop scrolling. This might be why your hair is not growing. In just 24 hours, this herbal spray shocked my scalp. If your hair keeps breaking, feeling thinny or refuse to grow, the problem may not be your hair, it may be your scalp, and this spray works directly where growth starts. I test natural hair growth remedies all the time, but this one stood out because it focused on scalp, stimulates and strengthens, not just length. Let's start with onion peel because this is the backbone of this entire spray. Most people throw onion peels away, but they are actually more concentrated than the onion itself. Onion peel is rich in sulfur, which is essential for strengthening weak hair strands, reduce breakage, and support healthy hair growth from the roots. Sulfur helps the hair feel strong over time, and when the scalp environment is right, it allows hair follicles to function properly instead of staying weak or dormant. That is why onion peel is so powerful. It works as the foundation, not just on the surface. I believe that after watching this video, you will never let down on onion peel and you will never throw them away again. So I'll make use of one full hand of my onion peel. Let's move to our next ingredient. Our next ingredient is rosemary. Rosemary is one of the most trusted herbs for hair growth and scalp healthy. Rosemary helps reduce excessive shedding, support thicker looking hair, and strengthen hair strands over time. It's also known for supporting scalp balance, which is very important because an unhealthy scalp can slow hair growth no matter what product you use. Rosemary helps keep the scalp environment healthy so hair can grow without constantly breaking or shedding. So you can make use of fresh one or dry one. The one I'm using now is dry one. Please don't let down on rosemary, okay? So let's move on to our third ingredient. Our next ingredient is cloves. This is where scalp stimulation comes in. Cloves help improve blood circulation to the scalp, which means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to the hair follicles. If your hair grows slow, feel thinny, or keep breaking, poor circulation is often part of the problem. Cloves help wake up dormant scalp follicles and support strong hair growth by encouraging better nutrient flow. This is why cloves are common use in natural scalp treatments. If you have been letting down on cloves, I believe by now you will never let down on cloves. Please, if you are ready to grow your hair, you need to start incorporating cloves on your hair regimen because it packed with a lot of nutrients that will really help you to solve your hair problems and achieve your hair goals. Cloves is what you can never joke with if you are ready to grow your hair, okay? So I make use of 1 tablespoon of my cloves, 1 tablespoon of my dry rosemary leaf. So now let's move on to our next ingredient. The last and not the least ingredient is hibiscus flower, and this is what makes this spray different from many others. Hibiscus helps strengthen hair roots, improve elasticity, and add natural softness and shine to the hair. This is very important because while some herbs focus on strengthening, hibiscus help prevent dryness and brittleness. It balances the spray so your scalp stay comfortable while your hair remain soft, flexible and healthy looking. That balance is key for long-term hair growth. So if you have not been using hibiscus, please start incorporating it on your hair. It will help you a whole lot, okay? It also helps to darken gray hair over time if you are consistent of using hibiscus. So I add these 3 ingredients together. So the next thing now is to be my jar container. So let's prepare this recipe. There are 2 ways to prepare this. It can do boiling method, it can do infused method. Any method you prefer, please you are free to use it. Okay, so for me, I like doing infused method. I just transfer my 3 ingredients inside my jar container. So the fourth ingredient now is the onion peel. So you must wash your onion peel to remove dirt and dust. It's very, very important. So after washing my onion peel, I'll also transfer it into the jar that contains 3 other ingredients. After doing that, the next thing I will do now is to pour in hot water on it. I will cover it up, allow it to infuse for 12 hours or overnight. Please don't infuse it more than 12 hours or overnight. Okay, so if you are doing boiling method, add all the whole ingredients together in a pot. Pour in 1 or 2 cups of water. Bring it to a boil. Please make sure you reduce the heat so that the heat will not kill the nutrients of all these ingredients, so that this tea spray can be very potent, so that you can achieve the good results with this tea spray. So once it has boiled 5 to 10 minutes, bring it down, allow it to cool down completely before you transfer it to your applicator bottle or your spray bottle. So this is for those that are doing boiling method, but if you are doing infused method like mine, make sure you allow it to sit 12 hours or overnight for better result. Please do not infuse this for 4 hours, 3 hours or 5 hours. You not get that good result with it. Allowing it to sit for 12 hours or overnight is the best time for this ingredient to release all your nutrients. Okay, so after overnight, this is what I have so far. As you can see, the water is not darker. The rosemary was sitting on top earlier. As you can see now, the rosemary has settled down, meaning all the ingredients have released their nutrients properly. That's the reason why this water is so dark, so potent, so effective, and so powerful. This spray is a solution spray. It will help you to solve those your hair problems, achieve your hair goals in a twinkle of eye. There's no joke. A trial will convince you. So what I do now is to bring a bowl and a shifter to strain it out, so that I will collect my pure herbal tea spray solution. So the next thing now is to bring my spray bottle to transfer it into my spray bottle. The remaining one now, I will bring my jar container to transfer it into my jar container, so that I can store it in the fridge. Okay, so now the most important thing now is how to use this to achieve that good results. So for this moment, you can go ahead and add essential oils if you choose, but mine, I do not add any essential oils because this spray is all you need. This spray is very, very potent, that as you can ever think. Okay, so adding essential oil is an optional. Okay, so now let me demonstrate to you on how to apply this to grow your hair 10 times faster, to grow your hair in less than 24 hours. There is no joke. Okay, now how to use this correctly and how to use it to grow your hair in less than 24 hours. First, spray this directly onto your scalp, not on your hair length. Massage it gently for 2 to 3 minutes to help absorption. Is very, very important, please. So for usage, you can use this 3 to 4 times in a week. Okay, and please be consistent with it, because consistency matters more than using it too much. Please. Okay, and also pay close attention. If you have a sensitive scalp, always do a patch test first. Natural remedies still need to use with care, please. Okay, what makes this spray powerful is how those ingredients work together. Onion peel strengthens, Clove stimulates, rosemary supports scalp healthy, and hibiscus balance everything. Instead of tackling your hair, this combo focus on creating the right environment for faster hair growth. Within the 24 hours, you notice a lot of change on your hair. This spray will grow your hair like crazy, increase blood flow to your scalp, strengthen your weak hair, stop breakage, and help you with stronger, healthy hair growth over time, because the spray have already created the right environment for your hair to grow faster, stronger, and healthy. Okay, so comment scalp if you are serious about growing your hair natural, and tell me, do you struggle more with breakage or slow growth? So guys, please like this video if you find this video helpful, and subscribe for more natural hair growth remedies that actually works. Okay, and also share this video to your family and friends. Remember, fixing the scalp, the hair will follow, meaning hair growth will follow. So guys, I have come to end of today's video. If there's anything I've not covered up, please let me know in comment section below. Please, for the storage, you can store this in your refrigerator up to 7 to 10 days. Okay, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.